So you live in a hot place and your wife won't let you use the central air condition, and you bought yourself nice portable air condition and enjoying it, and guess what? Hot place gravitates rain. So as soon as rain started to pouring down, you see water coming inside your hose. So portable air condition, we all know, have a hose that needs to go out of the window. But guess what? There is nothing to protect from the rain. I was out in the market looking on the Google to look if there's anything available like a shelter, a shade or a vent that I can install outside the window to protect water coming inside the portable air conditioned hose. But there's nothing. So this is the example. Now I installed this portable air condition and all the kid on the window and all happy. I was so happy. And then the next day I found out the rain pouring down and the water coming inside the hose. So I wanted to fix this problem. So if you have a 3D printer, you are in for a treat. I designed and created this rain vent for portable air conditions. This rain vent is clip-on. It will just hook on to the main kit that comes with the portable air condition. Of course, you will have to secure it further by hot gluing on the borders, or you can use super glue as well. There are two ways to install this. You can install it first and then go through the opening, or you can just install the hose first with the opening and just hook it up afterwards. I've designed it in a way that even the sideways winds, sideways rain can be stopped. Even if there is a storm and the rain coming from the sides, it will be stopped. So there are two ways to install it. You can first install it on the hose and then go through the opening, or you can just hook it up from outside. So don't worry about it. If your kit is already installed and you permanently fixed it, you will still be able to install it from outside. It's just clip on. It can go through the opening, or you can just hook it up from outside. Here I'm showing how it's gonna look once it's installed. It's gonna protect rain coming from the top. It's gonna protect rain coming sideways, like windy rain, stormy rain. It's gonna stop that as well. I did some moderate Google search and I couldn't find anything available in the market, in the consumer market, nothing on Amazon, nothing on eBay, even on Google, generic private websites. I couldn't find anything for portable air conditions, like a rain vent for portable air conditions. So I have LG portable air condition, and this will 100% fit into LG portable air condition, but I am sure that all the portable air condition have similar hose vent kits, so it will work. Hit like button. This will give me motivation to create more stuff and make more videos. See you in the next one.